In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the brake light switch on this Nissan Altima, located at the top of your brake pedal underneath the dash on the driver's side, of course, so let's get started. Making your way under the dash where the brake pedal is, if you follow it up, you'll see this white switch right here with the white connector. Press on this tab and unplug the connector. This is going to be the brake switch, of course, and to remove it, simply twist it counterclockwise and it'll pop right out. Now there is a plastic insert here, which if you need to replace, you can simply pry out of place. However, most of the time, all you need to replace is the switch. So I'm going to leave this insert in here and I will be just replacing my switch. Now take your brake light switch and insert it into this plastic sleeve. And what you want to do is press it in all the way. You'll feel that it's slightly spring-loaded, so keep it pressed in and turn clockwise. That's going to lock it in, and it's going to position it correctly so that the brake lights actually turn on as the brake pedal gets depressed. Reconnect the electrical connector, make sure it clicks. And now, if you press the brake pedal, your brake lights should turn on, so test it and make sure that as soon as you touch that brake pedal and press it down the slightest amount, brake lights come on. That is properly adjusted. Now, if this is not correctly adjusted and the brake lights turn on too late, what you're going to want to do is twist it counterclockwise and unlock it, and then slide it back just a couple notches on those splines and lock it in again. That's going to make it so the brake lights turn on earlier as soon as you press that brake pedal. What you also don't want is for the switch to be too far out. That not only would make the brake lights turn on too soon, but it could actually keep them on all the time. So make sure it's adjusted correctly. There you have it. Job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.